The junior school is domiciled in our current primary schools. And we shall continue to consolidate them. We are putting in some resources together with the CDF to ensure that we have adequate classrooms in grade 9 in 2025 in our current primary schools where junior school is domiciled. We are also working with CDF and other partners to ensure that we have integrated resource centers which will be useful for us in our sciences. But meanwhile, we are encouraging ourselves that let's share the facilities that we have. We are all aware the Presidential Working Party completed its work. We are now at the tail end of completing the sessional paper which will go to Parliament, so that it will guide us in the way that we are going to implement the Presidential Working Party. We have implemented quite a number of them. We are all aware we have domiciled junior school in our primary schools. That is what the Presidential Working Party recommended to us, and that is what we shall do and continue to do. We have already had the new funding model for our universities which we are implementing, and there are quite a number of things that the Presidential Working Party recommended to us. And as soon as we are through the sessional paper, there will be a number of legislations that will be amended. There may be one or two new ones so that it can assist us in implementing the. And I've been going around the country. I've engaged with colleague principals who are center managers. And I can tell you, maybe that's the same thing which is here in Kisumu, is that many of us are very happy in the measures that have been taken, because what they tell me is that this is the time when we have an equal opportunity to showcase our work